In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Notion database with n8n. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have a Notion database wired up as a trigger in an n8n workflow. Start by opening your n8n account in your browser and logging in. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option to create a new workflow. Click that, and n8n will open a blank canvas where we can start building our automation. On this new canvas, you'll see a prompt to add your first step or first node. Go ahead and click that. A panel will open where you can choose what kind of node you want to add. In the search bar, type Notion. This helps you quickly filter down the list instead of scrolling through all available integrations. When you see the Notion integration appear in the results, click on it. n8n will then ask what type of Notion node you want to create. Since we want n8n to react to changes in Notion, choose Trigger so that Notion events can start your workflow automatically. Next, you'll see configuration options for this Notion trigger. One of the key fields here is the database selection. Click on the option that says something like Select Database. If you haven't connected Notion to n8n before, you'll first need to add your credentials. Click on Add Your Credential. A window will appear to help you connect to Notion. In this window, click on Connect to Notion if your account isn't connected yet. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize n8n to access your Notion workspace. Make sure to grant access to the specific database you plan to use so it shows up later in the list. Once that connection is successful, you can close the credential window, click the Close or X button, and then close again if there's an extra dialog. You'll now be back in the Notion trigger settings. From here, click on the database field again and select the Notion database you want n8n to listen to. Confirm your choice by clicking Select or a similar button. To make sure everything is working, click on Test this trigger. n8n will try to pull data or listen for an event from that database. If the test succeeds, you're connected. Finally, go back to your workflow and follow any on-screen prompts that n8n gives you to finish configuring your trigger and save your workflow.